Do you need a new career or stable income? Graceland Healthcare Resources State Certified Medical Training School is the place to go. Be a certified healthcare professional in as little as 3 weeks. We do job placements and stand out for you to succeed. Our available programs include home health aide, CNA, phlebotomy technician, EKG technician, pharmacy technician, and much more coming soon. We have morning and evening classes and Saturdays available as well. We are affordable and we have free training if you do qualify. Our dedicated teachers are waiting to teach you. To be the best, train with the best. Everyone is welcome to Graceland Healthcare Resource Center, where we transform dedicated students to be state qualified and healthcare specialists. Our objective is preparing students to meet the current and future challenges in the healthcare profession. The sessions are intensive and clinically instructional. Our programs are patient care technician, medical receptionist, pharmacy technician, clinical medical assistants, and many more. At Graceland Healthcare Resource Center, all programs are approved by New Jersey Board of Education. We are located 55 Washington Street, 2nd floor, Suite 207 in East Orange, New Jersey. The number to call is 973-414-8700. That's 973-414-8700. Stop procrastinating. Pick up the phone and call now. 973-414-8700. Graceland Healthcare Resource Center. We are not just professional,
we are specialists.